Hi, today we're going to learn how to use calipers to measure a catalog part. Did you know calipers are versatile for measuring straight objects less than 7.5 inches long, the outer and inner diameter of round objects? Calipers, they're measuring tools that have two adjustable legs or jaws. They measure the distance between two opposite sides of an object. The inside size, the outside, and the depth of a part. So today, after this presentation, you'll be able to use a caliper to measure a catalog part, and you'll also be able to identify the part number and the dimensions in a catalog. So here's some keywords that you're going to hear today, and that's caliper, which is an instrument used to measure the dimensions of an object. We have catalog. It's a listing of parts for a specific piece of machinery. We have catalog part. A catalog part is a pre-designed product ready to use out of a catalog. We have measure. That's the process of measuring dimensions using a measuring instrument. And we have inspection. Inspection is an organized examination or formal evaluation exercise to validate parts. So first, when we receive our part in, we have a packing slip and we have our parts. So on our packing slip, we want to verify the part number to our parts. After we've done that, we can get our catalog. By reading the pack slip, I found out that this is a wiper. So I'll go to section 8 of the catalog. So once I'm in section 8, I'm going to take that part number that I validated and look for that corresponding part number in the catalog. So here's my part number, and I know that it's going to be a 3-inch size. So now it's time to prepare your calipers for measurement. Make sure your calipers are clean. You don't want anything to interfere with your dimensions and your measurements. So you want to close the jaws of the caliper to make sure that the faces are at 0 before taking any kind of measurements. The caliper always has to be at 0 when you start a measurement, or your results will not be accurate. So then you'll want to prepare your part, and you want to clean it off if there's any dirt, dust, or oil. Now it's time to use the caliper. So you'll want to loosen the screw of the caliper. And for the outside of an object, you will take your calipers and put it in the middle of the part and just kind of go inward with the jaws, push inward on these little notches right here. And that's how you take the outside. And then, like I said, you'll want to start from 0 when you take another measurement. You'll take your caliper and pull it on the top jaws on the inside of the part. When you get to your measurement, you'll feel a little bump, and that's when you know that you need to release, and you get your measurement. So then you can twist the knob and lock the measurement in place. Now, after you've gotten your measurement, you'll go back to your catalog and verify that they're within specification. So by looking at the part, I know that it is a 3-inch part, and I'm at 3.024, which is in specification. So now you can begin using your digital calipers to take the best measurements for your catalog parts. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to use a caliper to measure. I hope that you found the training informative and helpful.